Okay, working with sidebars and setting up behaviors and aesthetics for your sidebars can be done very easily. So this is an example of a sidebar right here. It happens to be on our blog page. You can see there's a menu here, a little conversion form, and some social icons and such. So let's show you on the back end. We can go into the Web Design Phoenix theme and all the way down to sidebar settings. And these are the global settings. So we can set up, um, you know, whether we want left or right sidebars on these different types of pages. So by default, we do not have sidebars on any of these pages. To be honest, we don't build a lot of websites that lean heavily on sidebars because it really affects the design elements that are become available. And so unless you have some real complex navigation, typically if you've got a local blog, you're definitely going to need a sidebar for navigation like we have here. We've got the blog out here and some different information that'll appear on those blog pages. So we can set whether that's going to be on the left or the right. Globally, we do not have anything set. These these sidebars can be set individually on each page as well. So if we go to this page, right down here, sidebar settings, we've set it up to right sidebar. Alternatively, if we leave it at default, then it'll be whatever is defined here under the Web Design Phoenix theme. Okay, now there's some different options how sidebars are handled on smartphones, how sidebar navigations are nested. So we can you can define a few variables here, and you can define whether or not there's a border delineating from your main content and your sidebar. So we've got a little line, and I think that helps. And that's where that is defined. And I am gotten off the ranch here, so let's get back over to the Web Design Phoenix theme and sidebar settings. And so we've got some styling options there. So pretty straightforward in terms of sidebar. We just go and define globally, and then on any individual page you can use this element right here to change those predefined settings very easily. So if we've got our sidebar and we want the right sidebar, and then which sidebar do we want to add? So that these here are defined in widgets. So we would need to create our sidebar in the widgets area and then name it and then go here and grab it. So we've created a Facebook blog sidebar that is specific for our blog that we can show on this page. So that is how we manage sidebars a little bit, and hope that helps.